is go home with all the money, and if I have to strangle a cop, so be it.
Dibs on bottom bunk.
Nah, I'm taking the bottom bunk.
Whatever, old man.
In prison, it goes by the elder respect, so whoever's older gets to decide first.
What if he snores at night?
I do.
Good night.
Hey, what about a warning?
All right, criminal, get some rest.
Good morning.
It is way too early. This stupid cop was snoring all night.
Snoring kept me up.
Yeah.
So I think it's like, judging by the sky, like maybe 6 or 7 a.m. right now. First night, Jimmy, I gotta say that really did feel like prison.